I don't get to see them anymore. I just have to imagine.
Jeannie Reddy misses looking up at the stars. She's been losing her sight over the past 2 years.
I can glimpse a little bit of something, and that's always a joy still.
But that joy might soon be even greater, as a team spearheaded by scientists who use the Hubble Space Telescope is working on bringing Jeannie and others like her an unprecedented view of the universe.
We had just seen a video where Mike Massimino, the astronaut, was discussing the advantages of printing tools in space. How cool it would be if we could print astronomical objects and make it accessible to people who cannot enjoy the beauty of the images as we see them.
Lines for the filament.
But going from idea to reality wasn't so easy.
How about craters for the stars?
3D printers were evolved out of the manufacturing industry. It has a certain way of representing objects as little tiny triangles. Our objects are not well suited for that. So we're having to invent the process.
With some clever programming, that process is now resulting in three-dimensional models of celestial objects you can feel with your hands.
Things like this are kind of the spark that get people interested in that, make them maybe want to do more, want to explore.
And the center is the gas.
And I think kind of makes me want to go back to school again.
Can you touch the stars?
Learning about science is one thing, but the developers of this project hope it will lead to much more than that.
And if you can, stars are sort of in the center. They have a different perspective than what I have, and I'd like to know what they think the science is. What questions do they have that we never thought about?
It means that I might be able to see the stars again, which would be such a beautiful thing, because it's a hard thing to give up.
And maybe soon she won't have to. From the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore, Maryland, I'm Mary Estacion.